Hey everyone, welcome to aryanz coded in 3 minutes tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to see providing permissions using chmod command. Let me start the timer. Yes,
On the
started.
notes.
So permissions, read permission, write permission, and execute permissions. These permissions can be set for a user or a group or a owner. So owners are nothing but the actual owners of the file. Group is nothing but a classification or a group of collection of users and other users who have account or who has signed up for the server. So let us quickly open a terminal. Right now, if you notice this, let us let us take this as an example. The D represents a directory, and the characters here represents the permissions for each set. So the first three characters represents the permission for a owner who creates this file. Then the three character represents for the groups, and the last three represents the other users. So this is how it is classified. So the first three is set of owners, the next three is for the group, and last three is for the users. The very initial one, it represents hyphen means file, d means directory, and l means link. Link is nothing but a shortcut. Now let's go to a permission table. Permission table has 0, 1, 2, and 4. So which means 0 means no permission, 1 means execute, 2 means write, and 4 means read. Summing up everything will give you 7. So this table is very important because if you want to give a permission, say let us say like read, write, and execute permission for the owner alone. So this is how you have to give the command. So chmod 700 file 1. So what is that 700? So 700, it's very simple. We know we have the categories of these three, right? So the very first character represents the owner, the second character represents the group, the last one represents the user. And we know the table represents the permission level. So since 0 is given, so group and other users will have no permission, and 7 represents summation of everything, so which means read, write, and execute. And that's how this first user, the file 1 is have permission for read, write, execute for the owner. Now let us go for the another example. Consider we have read and write permission for a group. So let me run the command, and if you see file 1 is having a read and write execute read and write permission for that. Earlier it was having read, write, and execute for the owner, but right now we have it for read and write for the group. The last one, let's quickly take an example of for the other users. So we are going to give 5. 5, what is 5 for? So let us go to the table. 4 means read and 1 means execute, which means read and execute. So this is how the output will look like, read and execute for the other users. I hope you have learned something useful. Please subscribe to the videos, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.